Yeah, let's play catch.
Hey, Dad, what's that piece of paper?
I don't know.
It's some sort of horribly drawn map. Map to dices of power?
Dices? What are dices?
I don't know. The moron who wrote this misspelled power.
I wonder who. Okay,
We better
so...
go check to the thingamajig of navigation.
Thingamajiggy of navigation.
Almighty thingamajig of navigation. Where do we go next?
That
What
way.
is that, a wiener?
That might come in handy.
There, what's that?
Nothing.
What?
The lasers!
Yeah, lasers. I saw this one.
Whatever. Okay, next. What'd you do with the map? Oh, there it is.
Alright, it says to go to the pool next.
We're at the pool.
Alright, to go in. My bad. I said it wrong. Come around. Hey, what's that over there?
Coffee!
What's up? A bun. Looks like it's still coming in.
Oh, I feel much better now.
Yay! Look! I see the dices of power! Check it out!
Hold it! Right there. You are not getting those dices of power.
And if I refuse...
I'm gonna blow you up with my wicked weenie thing.
Cameraman laughs hilariously.
Don't! You don't! Okay! Yeah, but you're not the only one with a trick up your sleeve. Oh, wait, zipper stuck. My bad, my bad! My explosive Wayne Gretzky-sized hockey grenade!
Hockey grenade.
You can also use it to treat wounds!
Good. You're gonna need one.
You're gonna have a ton, unless you put your weapon away.
Put it down. Ah! Nothing! Ah!
No! Drop the dice! No!
Ah!